Welcome to NUUO Titan NVR training. You're currently in the playback interface section, and during this video we're going to explain how to use the event list panel and the search panel in this interface. The Titan NVR can do much more than just video playback. The Titan has the ability to analyze recordings for events. From the event list, select the start time and the end time, as well as any other criteria. For example, here we choose the source type as camera, and then the server is Titan Building A. We choose camera 1 as the source, and choose the event to be motion start. Then click search. You'll get a list of all the events matching your criteria. Simply select the time you need, and double click on it to get to the instant playback. Please note again that for event detection, your camera needs to have edge motion function, and you need first to do the settings from your camera website. Then proceed to the settings on the Titan NVR itself, which include two parts. First, enable motion from camera, and then select the type of notification that you desire, such as on-screen display, output, or email. The search function is very useful, especially if you haven't set up the motion detection events in advance, or simply if your camera does not have edge motion function. Indeed, this embedded function is a fast way to search and analyze your video and detect motion. In the search panel, you can define the parameters of your search mode. The higher the percent of pixel sensitivity, the higher the chance to trigger detection. So for dark and small places, it is recommended to use a higher sensitivity for your search. The higher the percent of zone sensitivity, the higher the sensitivity of motion detection is. And the higher the consecutive frame hits, the less sensitive is the motion detection. You can also define the frequency Titan checks for motion. So now we'll introduce you to the motion search parameters. To enable motion search, first of all select the content and define the parameters of your search mode. Select Enable Motion Search first. You can use three tools to create the detection zone you want. First, you can use the pen to draw a detection zone from pixel to pixel. Secondly, the use of the rectangle will allow you to select a certain zone. Finally, when you choose the All option, you simply select the whole content as detection zone. The icon Deselect Detection Zone uses the same tools as the Select Detection Zone icon, which means you can delete the zones you don't want. You can also get an Invert Detection Zone by clicking on this proper icon. Once you have finished your selection, you can define a motion search period, and Titan will search your video from your current time to the period you set. The video will stop when motion is detected. For further information on the playback interface, please visit the NUUO website at www.nuuo.com.